If you walked into a gym and saw a chimpanzee, it wouldn't look impressive. It's smaller than you and has half the body mass. But if that chimp grabbed your arm, it would be like being caught in a hydraulic press. Humans have a neural recruitment glitch. Our brains are designed to limit how much of our muscle we can use at once. Why? To prevent us from tearing our own tendons off the bone. A chimp's nervous system doesn't have these limiters. They fire 100% of their muscle fibers instantly. We traded raw power for endurance and precision. We are the only creatures that can thread a needle. But the price was losing the ability to snap a tree branch like a twig. A silverback gorilla has a chest so thick it can deflect small caliber bullets. It can bench press nearly 4,000 pounds in a life or death situation. But look at their diet. They eat 40 pounds of leaves and stems a day. This is the metabolic trade-off. A gorilla's body is a muscle-building machine, but its brain is relatively small. A human brain is a calorie black hole. It consumes 20% of our daily energy. If we had gorilla muscles and a human brain, we would need to eat 15,000 calories a day just to survive. We didn't get weak. We just moved our energy budget from our biceps to our frontal lobe. In the animal kingdom, heat is the ultimate killer. A cheetah is the fastest animal on land. But after 30 seconds of sprinting, its brain starts to overheat. It has to stop, or it will die. Humans, however, have a secret weapon: eccrine sweat glands. We are the only primates with millions of these glands across our entire bodies, while a lion or a dog has to stop and pant, which is slow and inefficient. Humans carry a liquid cooling system. We can run for 20 miles in 100-degree heat because we turn our skin into a radiator. In a race against a horse in the desert, the human wins. We don't outrun them, we outcool them. There is one physical thing humans do better than every other animal on Earth, and it's not running. It's throwing. A chimp can throw a rock, but it has no accuracy and no power. A human can throw a baseball at 100 miles per hour. Our shoulders are a mechanical glitch. We have a waist that allows us to rotate our torso and flexible shoulders that act like a catapult. This allowed us to kill from a distance. We became the only predator on Earth that could kill an apex predator like a saber-toothed tiger without ever getting within reach of its claws. We turned physics into a weapon.
Part 5. The thrifty gene. Why we aren't just strong, we're built to last. Because we aren't strong, we had to become thrifty. Humans are incredibly good at storing fat. In the wild, this was our external battery. It allowed us to survive for weeks without food while we tracked prey. A gorilla or a lion has very little body fat. They are high-performance machines that fail if they don't eat every day. Humans are hybrid machines. We can go from a 20-mile hunt to a 3-day fast without our systems shutting down. We are built for the long game, not the short fight. Our survival depended on outlasting, not just outmuscling. The thrifty gene, our ancient secret to endurance and survival in an unpredictable world.
We are the glitch that nature didn't see coming. We traded our fur for sweat, our claws for thumbs, and our strength for a 3-pound gray supercomputer. We aren't in a cage with the animals. They are in a world governed by us. The human glitch proves that the mind is the ultimate muscle. Imagine if you could press a single button and get the strength of a gorilla, but lose the ability to speak. Would you do it? Tell me in the comments.